Welcome to KeyboPOS training, version 1.4.3. In this session, I'll demonstrate how to check out a bill. First, select the items for billing. You can do this in 3 ways. Select the product from the drop-down menu. Choose items from the product drawer by category. Use a barcode scanner for quick selection. Once you've selected the items, you can adjust the quantity using the plus or minus buttons. For bulk quantities, simply enter the amount directly into the text box and press enter. If you need to remove an item from the basket, click the remove icon and confirm. You can then select additional items from any category. After adding all desired items to your basket, proceed to checkout by clicking the checkout button. Here, you can choose your payment method, such as cash, credit, account, and more. In the checkout dialog box, you'll see various options. If the sale is tax inclusive, meaning tax is included in the total item price, check the tax inclusive box. If tax is added on top of the total price, select the tax exclusive option. If your customer is tax-exempt, check the tax-exempt box. This will disable the tax-inclusive and tax-exclusive options. To re-enable them, simply uncheck the tax-exempt box. If you'd like to apply a discount, enter the discount amount directly or use the percentage text box for a percentage-based discount. To finalize the sale, click the checkout button. If you need to print a receipt, click the print button. To reprint an invoice, click the print icon. Select your printer type and choose either the default thermal printer or A4 print option. To export the invoice as a PDF, click the PDF icon and select the paper size. You can choose between 80 millimeters and A4 PDF sizes. When selling to a specific customer, be sure to select the customer before adding items to the cart. You can add a new customer by clicking the plus icon. If you're making a sale for a previous date, select the date by clicking the calendar icon and choosing the preferred date from the date picker. If you need to remove an item from your basket, click the Remove button. To clear the entire basket, click the cart icon and confirm the removal of all selected items. If you're processing a large order and another customer with a small order is waiting, you can hold the current basket by holding down the checkout button. The basket will be minimized to the taskbar. You can then quickly handle the small order. Once that's completed, simply resume the held order and finish the transaction.
After completing the installation of KeyboPOS, the first time you open the software, the Business Settings window will appear. Here, you'll need to enter all the mandatory information in the respective text boxes. I've already filled in some of the business information. You can also select your logo if you'd like it to appear on your invoices. Once you've completed entering the business details, click the Update button to save them. Next, the License window will open. Enter your purchased license key and click the Validate License Key button. Now your KeyboPOS billing software is ready to use. Before proceeding, you can enroll the billing user if desired. Enter the details for your first admin user, including username and password, to log in. Then select the user role and status. The first user should be an admin to manage other users. After entering the details, click the Add User button to save. You've now successfully added the first admin user. Use these credentials when the login window appears, and click the new Shift Login button to proceed. Now that we've completed the business settings, validated the license key, and enrolled the first admin user, the next step is to configure your printer. Then, choose either your A4 or 80mm printer. If needed, you can also adjust the margins for the 80mm printer.
Now, go to the Products tab to view and manage your inventory. Here, you can add a new product to the inventory. Start by choosing your product image, then select the appropriate category. If your desired category isn't listed, you can add a new one by clicking on the Category menu and selecting Add New Category. Fill in all the mandatory details in the respective fields, then click Add New Product to save the item. If you need to create a barcode for a particular item, click the barcode icon to open the barcode label window. Fill in the necessary fields for the barcode label, preview it, and then select the barcode printer you installed. Finally, click the Print Barcode button. In the Products window, you'll find additional options such as Export to Excel, Import from Excel, Export to PDF, and Delete all products. To work with products in Excel, first export a single product to get the correct formats, then follow that format for all products, including the image names. After editing the Excel file, save it and import it back into KeyboPOS using the Import from Excel menu. If you have images, make sure to copy all the images to the Data folder of KeyboPOS, ensuring that the image names match those in the Excel sheet. If you need to delete all inventory items, click Delete All Products from the menu, then confirm the action by entering the current user's password. To edit a product, click the image icon, make your changes, and then click Edit Product. If you wish to delete a product, click Delete Product and confirm with your password. At the bottom ribbon, you can see the total number of products, cost, price, and projected profit of the entire stock. This is the purchase time. Firstly, choose the supplier name and pick the purchase date as per your purchased invoice. Then enter your purchase invoice number. Then add your purchased items. Adjust the quantity you have purchased. Then click Add Purchase button. Select the payment method, continue, then check out the purchase. Now, purchased item quantity should be updated in your inventory. To view sales reports, click the More tab and then select the Sales button. Here, you can view sales for various time periods: the current shift, today, yesterday, this month, this year, last year, or all-time sales by clicking the All button. You can also delete all records by clicking the Delete icon. To generate today's collection report, click the Print Sales Report button. This will allow you to print the total collection report for today. Click the Option and Proceed buttons to continue. If there are any expenses for today, you can enter them at this point before proceeding. Afterward, you can view and print the collection report. Additionally, you can print a detailed sales report on an A4 sheet if needed. You can also generate user-based collection reports and detailed reports for each user. This allows you to track sales and performance on a per-user basis. If you need to filter a specific invoice, click on the icon associated with the invoice number. From there, you can export the invoice to an A4-sized PDF. Or you can print or export it to an 80mm PDF as well. To access the purchase report, return to the More tab and click on the Purchase menu icon.
To process a sales return, click on the Sales Return menu. On this screen, you can view returned sales. To execute a sales return, go to the Sales section and select the invoice. Then, check the item you wish to return. To select individual items, simply check them. If you need to return all items, long-click on the invoice. After selecting the items, click the Return button. If the returned item is unused or marked as wastage, check the appropriate box. Confirm the return by clicking Yes.
Now, when you go back to the sales return screen, you'll see the returned items. You can delete the entire list by clicking the delete icon and entering the current user's password. You can manage purchase returns in the same way. Adding a new customer. To add a new customer, click the Add Customer button located in the top right corner of the screen. Fill in all the necessary fields. If the customer is tax exempt, check the Tax Exempted Customer box. Once you've completed the customer's information, click the Add Customer button. Adding a supplier. You can add a supplier in the same way as adding a customer.
Finally, let's explore some additional business settings in KeyboPOS. Go to the Settings tab and click on the Business menu. At the bottom of this window, you'll find options such as resetting the invoice number to 1, enabling and resetting the token number, setting footer text 1 and footer text 2, determining the number of receipt print copies, and enabling the kitchen order ticket (KOT) for restaurants, along with selecting the KOT printer. You can also enable or disable the following checkboxes. Categorize KOT categorizes ordered items and prints separate KOTs for preparation in the kitchen. Smart Checkout simplifies checkout by skipping the selection of tax and discount options. Group Billing allows billing for all users through a single window during checkout. Auto Bill Print automatically prints invoices without prompting the print dialog box. Enable Dining Options lets you select dining options for restaurants and food outlets during checkout. Once you've configured your settings, click the Update button to save the changes. Now, let's make a sale with the new settings. Add items to the cart, then click the Checkout button. Here, you can see the dining options: dine-in, takeaway, drive-through, and delivery. Proceed by selecting the payment method, and you're done. You can now see the token number displayed.
This concludes the training session for KeyboPOS version 1.4.3. If you'd like to learn more about KeyboPOS, please visit keybo.ae/POS. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thank you for watching this training session of KeyboPOS.